In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with GIMP. So you should find GIMP on your desktop. It kind of looks like a little raccoon or maybe a little dog with a paintbrush in its mouth. And it should be called GIMP 2.8. So you'll double click and you'll open GIMP. The first time you open GIMP, it will take a while. So I'm going to let it load and I'm going to pause my video and I'll come back to when it is ready to be opened or when it has already opened. So it kind of starts like this and it will open slow for you to begin with. So when you open GIMP for the first time, it opens into 3 separate windows, which can be great if you know what you're doing and can be super annoying if you don't. And so what I like to do when we start as a class is I like to go to Windows together and we go down to single window mode. And so that will put GIMP all in one window so you can move things around. I just made it full screen right now. And so this will be our workspace. And then we'll have tools over here. And then we'll also have tools over here. And so when I click on one of the tools, so this is like my rectangle tool, allows me to select, you can see that I have options down here. And it's really hard to read those. So what we need to do is we need to make our toolbar a little bit wider. And so to do that, you'll watch my mouse change as I come over here to this area. There's like an invisible line that separates these 2 spaces. And so this is the symbol that I want, the little lines with the arrows pointing on either side. I'm going to hold down my mouse. And I'm going to stretch this out so that I can read all of the options that I have with my tools. And so this is what you need to do before you start anything in GIMP. You want to make sure that it's all set up like this.